Alright, this is RCCA Racing Collectibles. This came out in the early 90s and went on as Action Motorsports later. You got into NASCAR big time. Very well detailed vehicles. You can only get them through dealers, not out of the toy stores. Expensive, but not many dealers carry them. It was like the beginning of the company. Good details. This is a very rare right here. This is the Christmas issue. Chris Kringle. Yeah, you know who Kringle is. Well, very rare. I know it's very few of them are made. I don't know much more about them. I only have these few. Which average back then, like 10, 12 bucks a piece. And, sure, 20 years ago, 10, 20, 10, $15, for a toy, for a car was like a little up there, but I got this tied over here, number 5, from Raval, which is also a very rare piece. Because it was a promotional piece, so you know how that goes. Not too many. So these are the few RCCAs that I have. I got some autos that I gotta find. A lot of racing champions, which also came out at that time. So there it goes. Quick shot for you guys, and I'm gonna go dig out some more.